Metcal. It stands for Precision Systems for the Electronics Bench. From array package rework to soldering and desoldering tools to fume extraction, Metcal manufactures equipment to meet all of your rework challenges. And now we're introducing a new array package rework system that redefines precision and addresses the changing technical demands presented by component manufacturers. Metcal, a division of OK International, has been on the cutting edge of what the electronics market needs by forging relationships with component manufacturers, as well as keeping in constant communication with customers to develop process solutions for new technologies. The culmination of this research with component manufacturers, industry experts, and Metcal engineers is the new APR 5000 Array Package Rework System. As you'll see, this system has all the high-end features of expensive rework systems, but at a more affordable price. The APR 5000 is especially designed for reworking advanced leadless components, which are rapidly becoming the packages of choice for designers of smaller products, such as cell phones, personal data assistants, and laptop computers. Whether you use ball devices such as BGA, CSP, and micro SMD, or land grid array components, such as micro lead frame, the APR system is ideal for reworking densely packed odd-shaped PCBs that are typical in today's high-volume consumer products. Now that you know what it does, let's take a look at the system. The APR 5000 is self-contained, making it a compact benchtop system. The design also eliminates messy wiring and reduces clutter and mess on the workbench. In the front of the system, there are 3 function areas that work together for complete process control. First is the board holder that allows small and odd-shaped PCBs to be centrally fixed above the preheater. Above the board holder is the combined placement and reflow head. This exclusive design allows the reflow head to be moved to perform rework in any position on the PCB and eliminates the need to move the PCB during rework. Below the board holder is the preheater. This, combined with the reflow head, provides powerful top and bottom convection heat. The system includes easy-to-use software that controls key processes and paves the way for repeatability. In addition, the software features an integrated vision alignment system. This eliminates the need for multiple monitors and optimizes bench space. Now that you know a little about the APR 5000, let's see a demo of how to set up a new process. For our demo, we have our board situated in the holder, and we'll start with removing a defective component. The system prompts you to first select the correct vacuum cup and nozzle. Using the split field vision, the component being removed is then aligned with the center of the vacuum cup. The 3 thermocouples can be positioned to read the PCB and solder ball temperatures to help determine the profile settings. The nozzle design is Metcal's patented micro-oven design, which uses low airflow to achieve superior temperature uniformity without disruption to adjacent components. Now we'll select the nozzle height. This and other settings will be stored for future runs of this particular process. We just follow the instructions, press execute. The nozzle will drop to the preset height, and by selecting start, we begin the profile. Now we can set the 4 different heat zones: preheat, soak, ramp, and reflow, followed by a cooling period. Note that based on the thermocouple feedback, the engineer can modify process parameters such as time, temperature, and airflow in real time while the profile is running. As a standard feature, the system can be connected to a nitrogen supply to help widen the process window when working with lower activity fluxes or lead-free solders. Then at the end of the reflow process, when the peak temperature is reached, the component is automatically lifted up off of the board by either lifting the reflow head or retracting the vacuum tube inside the nozzle. Once the component is removed, the PCB needs to be cleaned. Using a Metcal MX system with a blade tip and solder wick, clean off any residual solder from the board. A little solvent with lint-free wipes will help get rid of any residue. We're ready to place a new component on the board. First, we have two options for materials to attach the new component to the PCB: solder paste or flux. Both are easy to use. Dip transfer offers a quick, consistent method for applying the exact amount of flux needed for rework and is suited to fine-pitch chip scale packages. If we choose to use flux, simply print the flux across the plate. Then pick up the component and dip it into the flux. If we choose solder paste, we can print the paste directly onto the component using Metcal stenciling templates. This has the advantage of closely replicating the original manufacturing process. You simply take the component and clamp it onto the stencil. Next, using the spatula, spread paste over the template, making sure to fill the holes. Then remove the clamp and position the component for pickup. Now we're ready to place the component. The split field vision system shows the clear image of the component balls and the PCB pads. Using the X, Y, and theta rotation adjustments, the pads and component can be non-contact aligned prior to automatic placement. Fine adjustments can be made to accurately set the placement height, with the head being adjusted in increments as low as 1/1000th of an inch in the Z-axis. Crushing solder paste is then avoided. Bring the nozzle down, run the profile, and in a few minutes the component is perfectly soldered. Move the head to home, and we're done. We've just gone through how easy it is to set up a process. When the system is run by an operator, it will automatically execute each step as programmed, ensuring consistent results and a repeatable process every time. The demo showed you how the machine works, so let's take a look at some of the software features. The software has comprehensive analysis features that allow the engineer to monitor and display the reflow times, temperatures, and ramp rates to help develop the perfect profile. Graphs of profiles can be stored on file or easily pasted into other programs to provide valuable traceability. And the software comes with multi-level password-protected security features to ensure there is no unwanted interference with the stored process. What makes the APR 5000 array package rework system stand out from the competition are the unique features resulting from working with component manufacturers and PCB assemblers. This collaboration has allowed us to design a rework system specifically for the newest technology in components. Some of these features include allowing a board to be centralized to the preheater for superior uniformity of PCB temperature during rework. This helps avoid common problems such as warping. Another unique feature is the moving reflow and placement head that allows the APR 5000 to be a compact benchtop system. In addition, the system's automation features ensure process repeatability by minimizing the opportunity for human error. As we wrap up, we've demonstrated that the APR 5000 array package rework system is ideal for smaller, odd-shaped boards commonly used in the cell phone and laptop computer markets. This system is also the first in a new series of machines that will be able to rework complicated packages and boards of all shapes and sizes. The Metcal APR 5000 is a competitively priced unit with the superior state-of-the-art features of high-end machines. While there are other systems available at a lower cost, they lack the advanced features needed to successfully rework advanced packages. When you're looking for rework solutions, whether it's soldering, desoldering, fume extraction, or array package rework, remember to contact your local Metcal representative.